everybody, how you doing? It's almost Easter, so wish you happy Easter. But that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is I showed you this beautiful console, carbon fiber console interior inlay here, and I got that from tparts. And when I put it in, I told you this is perfect, this part here. And this one here has a little spot here where it's coming up a little tiny bit right there. But it slides well, closes well, so no problem there. It comes a little bit up here. So I made the video, and the people from tparts saw it and reached out to me and told me they watched the video and found out why it does this. And this is not because of a fault of the product, but it is because I didn't put it on the right way. So they are working on better instructions, because quite honestly, if you asked me right now, and I'm very honest with you, I wouldn't know how I would put it in different next time. I would be a little more careful there, but I wouldn't know. So they appreciate that they will put out some more detailed instructions. And yeah, there you have it. They wanted me to let everyone know that it was not their fault. And I knew that. I know their product seems to be a very good quality. That's not the quality, the fault of the product. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. I appreciate tparts and the products they sent me. Look at my videos. I'll link this video to the old one. I'll link them vice versa, so everyone knows what's going on, and so there's no confusion there. All right, guys, I wish you a happy Easter weekend, and I hope you watch my other videos, and have a good one. Talk to you later.